Guys, welcome back to the next exercise. So today we will be doing another exercise of basic measures. So I have opened this file, this site, this exercise, and so you can download this file from here. Just click here, the file will get downloaded. I have already downloaded the file, so here is a quick view of the file. So let's solve the problem. What's the problem and what could be the answer? So first is saying that open the music tool basic measures. So yeah, we have opened the file, and then you should see a slicer card and a table visual. Yes, we are seeing the card. So okay, AC DC 21. Okay, so it's telling that add the following measure to the music measure table. So count of rows of track table. Okay, so we will go here, we will click here, and we will add a new measure, and then we will name it as track count is equal to count of track ID. Okay, so with this we will be getting track ID, and then next one is average album track. Average album track. In this measure, what we need to do, we need to divide count of tracks by count of albums. So count of track divided by count of albums. Okay, so now let's see if we are getting accurate values or not. We will take these measures and put it into the card, visual card like this. So I will click here. This is a like the scorecard, the master scorecard, where you can add more than one value here. So I will put first the count of track and then the average album track. So we have clicked on ACDC 21, 235 and 11.19. So yeah, 235, 11.19. We are getting the accurate values. We also need to add the count of track column in this chart also. So I will add count of track count here. So we are getting the count here also. Now it's saying that add a measure which calculates the total track length in seconds. To do this, you will need to calculate the sum of an expression which multiplies the track minute field by 60 and add the track second field to it. Okay, add another measure. So let's first add first measure, which is track length second. Add another which divides. So we need to add this measure, like total track length. So let me go in the file. So I will write it as total track length equal to what it's saying, that total track length. To do this, you will need to calculate the sum of an expression. So I will do sum of track minutes, like we should take minutes only. Track minutes, like sum of expression which multiplies the track minutes field by 60. Okay, by 60. So let's perform this by using the variable. I will name it as variable minute is equal to this. So now what's this doing? This is giving us sum of minutes into 60, like 1 minute have 60 seconds, so it will give us the overall. And then I will create one more variable which would be seconds, which will give us the sum of seconds whatever we have, like in track track seconds, this one. So now we need now the sum of these. So in return, what I will do, I will just add minute plus second. sorry, this second, and I will add here, and let's check if we are okay with this or not. So 61, and I will add this here also. So 61 total track length is 61k. So let us check if 61k is there. Yes. And ACDC live, the first one 4250, 4250. Yes, we are getting the accurate values. Now we need to add another measure called average track length second. So I will add one more measure called average track length in seconds. How we need to find this? We need to find it by which divides the total track length in seconds by count of tracks. So total track length in second, this one, total track length divided by track count. I think so. This is it. Count of tracks. So if I put this in here, are we getting accurate values or not? 259.89. yes, we are getting accurate values here also. That's great progress we have made. Okay, so till here we are accurate, we are having everything whatever we needed. Now it's saying that create another measure which adds the sum of US sales. So we need to find out the sales which is in the album table to the sum of the same field in the track table. Display the measure as a card. Okay, so we will create a measure called total US sales. So we will write directly as sum, and if there is something in, like there are two sales, one is from US and then one is from album and one is from track. So let's say it is saying that in US sales amp field in album table to the sum of same field on track table, display the measure. Let's try first with the album sales. Okay, is it giving us the accurate values or not? $69.00. So now we need to, I think we need to add both the sales, like so let's say I name it as variable as album, ALB, which is this one, and then I also name variable as track, where we are taking sum from sales table from track, this one, and then we are returning album plus track. So are we getting, yep, we are getting 75.80, that's correct. And if I put this in this table also, then 3, so we are getting 3 here. That's it for this video. Have a nice day.